Ah, okay. Sige. Wow, it's looking really good. Well, even the manga. Careful. Oh. Boot?
Oh, sarap.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ang taga mga una kaabot ng Cagayan. Ay, Cagayan? Claveria. We're here in Claveria. Hi, guys. Oh. Oh, ang entrance nila.
Entrance diri. Ito pa dito sa building. Cafe. Bistro.
Samgyup. Ay, ko na sa gunot dito.
Ako na sa mga pa. Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Ikaw ba ito? Be.
Wow, nice.
Oh. Mag-try kita. Yeah, I want. O, gani. Oh, mga ano ka. Oh, sige na. What do you call?
Magsiligan kita?
Ha?
Magsiligan kita?
Namin.
Salmon belly or pork shrimp?
Outside view. Wow.
May mo. Rice meat or platter or chicken?
What is this? The chili garlic.
6750.
They have chili garlic. Oh. Okay. The view is looking really good. Like, really good. I'm glad we went out for the weekend. I'm sorry, Poopy. Nabilin ka sa balay? Oh. They also have what? Lechon manok.
Dari ka, may tulungan na po tayo.
Ah, oh, really? Really love me, my legend. What?
Tawag ito?
Pouring na pink. Oh, gani. Ano? Oh, man. A snack? Ano dyan yan?
Ay, natawag tayo. Luksyon ako sa punta.
Look at that. Oh.
Ito lang.
Oh, kumaw naman ang mga sa sila.
Tupunta naman.
Gabit automatic eh. Are you glad I bought this one?
Saan mo ito?
Kung magtindog na kita.
Lemon?
Me, I'm gonna eat the halo-halo.
Andre mo lang. Andre.
Kalamansi and sili. Punta ang tabang.
Abaga?
Dalawan ko. Bakit pala? Natawali naman na pag-cover ya.
Kaya pa?
Iya.
Ito ang picture dito.
Magpa-picture. You get sa tripod. Pero masab itong angle na to dito.
Ano lang.
Oo, na rin yung mga tripod.
Eh, bada.
Oo,
Pinang.
ito pasag na bang
Angat, bro. Tama ta?
Dana! Sit ako, Papa. Thank you. Oh my God. Ismael, I have. So please be good to me. No. Ano? No. Di rin ako dito. Kaya bagan kasakit na doon. We are now in Cloveria View Deck. I have been here pero mga 2020, early 2022. Oh, I was here early in 2022. Tapos I was not able to go back just now with my papa. Uy! Nasugo na sa dako. Nakagkag na sa dako buhok. Uma na? Okay. Okay, we good? Way ila ko ano. Ikaw sa magulit. Way ila zipline. Oh! We forgot. Tripod. Sino may mapicture sa ato dito? Bubo man to. Are you mad? Sige, open lang gamay. O, pataan. Ikaw maglang. We are here in... Tada, isab. Ano ka ba? Isab sila. Hi, guys. Sige na. Ikaw, hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Mga nita dire? Ipakita sa ilang naman.
Ipakita dito.
Ipakita ang store. Ito ba ang store? Oo. Mga nita dire?
Dali siya magpapicture.
Ano?
Sikwate.
Magsikwate na ako dahil.
Saka sa table mo para makakainit mo doon.
Where? Ewan ko na.
Yes, you order.
Kamate, maglalis gyapon. What? Ha?
Sinsilyo.
Sinsilyo? Sinsilyo? Ubos. Sa ubos? I told Ismael na isa rin paliton because baka sore throat sa ako ang sikwati, although I like it very much. Pero ang after effects sa ako, it's, I don't know. Be?
Ano? Dito hanap talang kurin para butang.
Where did I? Because? Oh my gosh, just look at the view. Okay. How's your coffee, sir?
Gana ang fishing? Gana fishing?
Girakan. Hama ang papa. You're going to try this. Ismael has been very excited to try this with me. Yan, nakalimut din sa G's.
Yan na, ikaw na.
You click that one, ba?
Sige, ano?
Sige, dalaw. Ah, okay. Okay. Agay! Oh, ganit eh. Is this supposed to move like this?
Oo, gamay ra.
How far?
Wala, makaras camera?
No, ambot be. No.
Nakuhaan sila mo zoom.
Hamat. Man lagi na ako lagi. What? How far away man ang video makita, Papa?
Yan, abayo.
Hi, B. Left and right. Hindi mo ako picture. Atong gajud red roof. Ato na dito like very light, very light na. Diba? Is it going to rain? I mean, like, I hope not. Sino ang may sabi? Okay, wow. How far away man ang makita ka ba? And room. Where? Would you be? Left and right. So, ano mag-video pa? Uy!
Kamusta man ang i-adjust?
Stressful. ang hirap pala maging vlogger.
Ba raise?
Kaya
Kadako man. Ang mga dyan na is
yung pibinahan ng edge niyo dyan ang amura man ito na
ang age.
edge ba? Edge? E-D-G-E?
Ang mga age dali.
Hindi edge. I'm suddenly thirsty. I want a whole lot of lemonade.
May dinilig rin.
Ang gano'n. Ba't lang? Ano man ito makakita ng lemonade? Ano ba? Saan ka na sa? Sino ba ito yung island? Isa pa! Uy! 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 Nanga ka o? Uyot. Bye, Claveria! Bye-bye! Bye, Claveria! We'll see you soon! OMG! As in! Ako kasi maswerte ka sa inventagyo. I mean, like, Just look at the fog. Like for the grabe.
Oh. Because sila ba?
Wow! Baguio feels in Mindanao.
Wala makita dito.
Oh, ito na. Kaya
Excuse. Diri, magi. Dapat ko yan yung suite dito. Okay, pero magdara ako ng malikon.
Sure ko? Can you handle it?
Magdito ko dito.
We're currently using Ismail's phone because mine is low-bat and I'm currently charging. I'm on wait. What has gotten into you? I managed to have 46%. Oh, a dog. Hi, dog. Wow. Wow, just look at the view. Like, can you handle this view? I mean, like, if you are watching this, my siblings, if you are watching this, if I will be able to edit and upload this one, and if you are watching this, kinahanglan nato mo kare. What? It's wow. I don't know if I'm able to breathe. Smoke. Oh, it's kuan. What time is it? It's 4:55. 4:55 ng hapon. And look! Just look! I'm feeling giddy. I'm feeling giddy, alright. Oh my god. I was asking Ismail ganina if it is going to rain. Is it going to rain? But ano si Ismail nga, there's fog. Like Claveria pa ni, pero why do I feel like I'm in the US? Sus, Diyos ko Lord, if dili pa lang to kanang mga sukahon ng akong mga family members, siguro nag-alaag na jud mi diri pero dili makaya. If van, we might need to arkila a sedan para like dili kayo ko. Oh, there's my love. Oh, I'm so happy I'm here. Like, I'm very, very happy. Back in 2022, when it was my first time coming here in Alegria, in Claveria, this establishment was currently in construction, but I think it's finished, and I don't think it's a restaurant because I don't see anything na burger restaurant. Papa, I only managed to charge ko on 46%.
46?
Dali dito sa unahan ka man. Dali. Come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Just look at that. Do we still need to go to New Jersey, California? Dapat makabreathe kita ng kuan or pawa. Wow! Dapat mag-camping. What is that? Dyan sa ubos. Dyan na building. Mga bata, mga ulit ako ba nakasugat na ako. Hi vlog! Lasod ako kain. Pero hinilat ako pagka lang kain.
Hindi ako ng motovlog na sticker.
What's motovlog? I need to, I joined like DJI Osmo Pocket. Gamay rin siya camera, pero amo rin sa inyo ako na. Very handy. Ito ang ATV ride Grove. Diri siguro.
Hindi, lahat sa badari sa dito.
Yan eh. Sudsad no, kalayo nagtuato na agihan. Hi vlog! Dali, picturean niya ako papa. My love. Ang dugi good kay daganan siguro siya sa kuan temperature. Pagi diner. Foggy. Foggy. Ang foggy ba? Foggy. Uy ka, the judgmental. If you want I thought gadad na kuan na kan-anan inis ito. If not, oh man, bada. Ano, wala may la chandelier. Oh, it's tiring, but definitely worth it. Wow, kita ra diri isa. Wow, bigla kang sumaksis eh. Oh my God. Uy. Ikaw? No. Wow. Wow. Uy, gabi. Just look. Free naman gani ang entrance diri ah. Naga pa mag-trash. Hi people, I don't understand. Wow. Wow. Feels like Cebu, but lightless. Picture. Picture. Yeah. Okay. That's my baby right there. Tinadagol. Okay. Tanong-tanong sa ako. Papa, side view ra, side view ra. Oh, oh, wow. Wow. Ay, ayun eh. Wait lang, dili lang. No. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I love you.
Now you can make my world get bright. Your love is shine like the morning light. Anytime I see you, I lose my breath. I'm on your beauty feedback man forget. I'm only trying to sweet me for body. I'm on top do I go love you.
Sige na, what can you say about the happy wife, happy life? Ano man? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. White labad kung babadyang nalipay. Kung babadyang nalipay, dili ka maglabad. Kung malipay ang babadya, lipay na kansab ka. Ooh. Wow. I feel thirsty.
So, nahanapan ka?
Nahanakan. Oh, the fog is back. And it's thicker and creamier. Do you need help? Oh, may dyan dito sa unahan. Don't know. But it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful here. But the fog disappeared. May change na ng location. I don't know what I'm saying. What I'm saying? Kamu na lang magsabot, guys. Okay, wala pa ko kasabot. Kuha ko. Uy. Bye, dog. Bye. Sana o taga diri. Cellphone check. Power bank check. Yeah, I can feel it also. Ano may hindi mo pag di-pressurize? Dili man. Imo raman.
Dito ka mo yung ab.
Yeah, I got it. Going home. Time check, it's already what? 6:39 and we just entered Caraga region. Last na video. Abot na kami, guys. Sige na. Kamurad. Ikaw?